So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched best meme coin here. Its name is Maga VP. Right now, this meme coin is trending on CoinGecko here. Okay, that's why I review this meme coin with you. Okay, but this video is not any paid promotional video. This video is not any financial advice video. If you wanna invest in this meme coin, okay, you have to first read that this meme coin is a parody. It's not associated with the official Trump administration. Do your own research before you proceed. Okay, so this is basically a parody theme of politify meme coin here. Okay, but is right now in crypto market there's big trend for the meme coins here. Okay, just like Maga coin and other politify meme coins. This meme coin can be the next big politify meme coin here. Okay, and you can see its current price is $0.5, and right now its market cap is $25.8 million. Market cap is good because still this meme coin is not listed on any major exchange. Okay, but market cap is awesome, and this meme coin is working on too many blockchains here. This not on BAS or on only Solana, but there are multiple blockchains. You can see last 24-hour trading volume is $1.3 million. That's good. Okay, and you can see max supply is 47 million coins, and in circulation 43 million coins, but I think 4 million, okay, nearly 4 million coins are burned out. That's good. So supply is very less here. In future maybe we can see its price up to $50 here. Okay, by the end of this mega bullion, maybe this meme coin can get the market cap of 5-10 billion dollars, and then we can see its price up to $50 here or maybe more. Here you can see friends, these are the blockchains. Okay, so listed launched on Ethereum chain, Solana chain, Binance Smart chain, and also on Bash chain. Okay, and here you can see these are the chains I already show you, and this is the Solana meme coin. This is the best meme coin. This is a politify and a parody meme coin. Just 17 days ago this meme coin has made its all-time high, and right now we are 16% down in its all-time high and nearly 500% up in its all-time low. That was on 1st May, about 1 month ago. Coin is already listed on too many good centralized exchanges. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin. Okay, you can see listed in Bitmart, listed in Bioeconomy, listed on 2bit, and there are some other exchanges that are not updated here right now on CoinGecko, but this meme coin are also listed there. Okay, and right now this is trending on CoinGecko, so this is another good thing. Okay, you can also check out the website looking very good here. Okay, all the information provide here. You can see MVP Maga VP is name, and you can also join their community on X, on Telegram here, and they have also provide you all tokenomics here. You can see there's 2% buy sell tax, so that's good. 1% will be distributed to the Trump token reward, and 0.5% in marketing, 0.25% add to MVP LP and brand. So that's good. These are the contract address, official contract address, and 8.4 Ethereum worth MVP tokens are locked and burned, so that's awesome. Okay, and here you can see these are the exchanges where this meme coin is listed in Bioeconomy, Bitmart, and DigiFinex. This is still not upgrade on CoinGecko, listed on P2P. This is also not still upgrade on CoinGecko. Okay, here you can see IndieX. Okay, L Bank has listed, Elsbit has listed, Coinbase, BitSale listed this meme coin. So these are the exchanges, centralized exchanges that listed this coin, and maybe in future we can see is also some other major exchange listing here. Maybe KuCoin, Bybit, BitGet, or MXC can list this meme coin soon. After their listing, maybe then we can see this meme coin to the moon, and its market cap can be increased from $25 million to maybe $50 million, or maybe 100 to $500 million here. Okay, because US elections are coming in November, as you know. So at that time these type of politify meme coin can be the really amazing. Okay, can be the crazy here. Okay, so that can be the big trend for next in meme coin category here. What's your review about this meme coin? Do you think this meme coin is the next 50 to 100x profit meme coin or not? Do you think Binance or other centralized exchanges list this meme coin or not? You can must comment down below.